We are gonna clean. I don't know why the kids put my giant yoga ball in here. I think they like to try and trip me, is their goal. But today, I am gonna clean out more of my wardrobe. I'm gonna be harsh on stuff that I don't wear. I love this. It was from this small company that's probably not even in business anymore. Based out of San Francisco, like years ago. This woman-owned operation. I love it. Never. I've worn that dress probably twice as I bet the max, which is just crazy. Okay, I still haven't worn this summer, so it's got to go. This shirt I love, but it's just all dinked up. This I love. I think I got this. I think I bought this. Am I right? Yes, I bought this in Bath in England. I'm gonna try that on and see if it still fits. So I'll bet that it won't. Okay, so this skirt. I love this skirt. It's so cute. Never wear. I always wore it as a dress. I wore it a couple times. Haven't worn it in years. I'm being brutal. Because I just feel like, okay, this I actually love, but it's so short. Like, it's supposed to be a dress, but it's just shrunk over being washed so many times because it's cotton, and I just don't feel like I can wear it anywhere. Okay, what else are we doing? Ooh. Oh no, I don't want to get rid of this. Oh, look at this cutie pie, this little mod dress. Okay, I'm gonna try this dress on. Do we think it fits? I bet this doesn't even fit. Oh, it doesn't zipper all the way. There's no way I'll be able to get into this. Like, okay, biscuits, I think we can see. This is not gonna fit. Let's try it. Let's see if I fit it. We're being brutal here, biscuits. Oh my god, why won't dresses have full-length zippers? It's gotta be men designing those dresses. No woman would design it without. Does this dress have pockets? It's no pockets and a half zipper. Okay, it does actually fit. It's really cute. I have to wear it out like on date night or something because you can't breastfeed in this top, and I cannot wear that around my toddler or she will stab me. Okay, what do we think? I've been wearing a lot of really loose, flowy cottage core dresses this summer, so it's funny to be back like in an outfit that's form-fitting. I kind of like it. What do you think? I might keep this. I haven't worn it because there was so much other clutter in there. So that's why I love decluttering, is I find stuff. I'm going to try it and I'm going to see if I actually wear it in the next couple months. And if not, then it goes in the next round. Okay, I'm going to try it. I'm going to try this one because I do think it would kind of be nice to wear a few things that are form-fitting. Not all the time, but okay. This guy, what are you? I have worn this. I have, and it's a really nice top. It's super soft and smooth. I'm gonna try this one on. Oh my god, jeez. I can tell that I haven't worn this in a really long time because there is a dry cleaning tag, and wow, that's an old one. Oh, stuff that I can't believe I kept. Sometimes I wonder, biscuits. Okay. So let's see how this looks. Oh, you know what? It's stained. Nope. I don't mind. It's super old. I'm sad to see it go, but okay. These skirts I actually do wear, and the pants in the fall. So what are you? You I wear. This is a gorgeous dress. I should wear it more. I don't know why I haven't. Oh man, okay. This is a tough one, biscuits. This is one of those hard ones because I love this dress and I do wear it every once in a while. It's got pockets. But I don't think it's actually very flattering. And honestly, I don't wear black a ton. And if I do, it's in different fabrics. Okay. I'm saying goodbye to the sleeveless ones. They're great, but I don't need a neckline. Oh no, oh wow, I still have this. This is a good dress. Do you think this is gonna fit me? This is silk. I love silk as a material. It's so nice. Okay, this is an extra small. I've been buying everything in medium, so it'll fit. Oh my god, how do you fit it if you have hair? Hold on. I'm stuck. Woo! Woo! I made it, biscuits! My life flashed before my eyes, but I made it. Okay, well, I don't know if this will go over my butt. I'm gonna be totally honest here. Nope. I can't get it over my butt. I honestly can't. Let's see, maybe it'll like turn out to be a really form-fitting great dress. Oh my god. Is this supposed to go over butts? Nope. Okay. Wow. My tuchus has grown a lot in the last decade. I'll admit that. Hold on, biscuits. I'm pretty sure my hair looks insane now, so. There we go. Yeah, I've been trying to decide what I want my autumn vibe to be wardrobe-wise, because one of the ways I have fun with my homemaking is that I took a little vibe for the season and I go with it, and I have great fun with that. These are hard. I never really wear these. I bought them from an influencer who had her own clothing line that closed. And they're actually nice cuts. They're just bad material. So do I get rid of them? I do wear this in fall for photo shoots. Okay, I love that dress, but do I get rid of it and buy another one? Okay, what's your vote in the comments, biscuits? I do wear this every year for like holiday photos, but it's very itchy. And it's not super like flattering color-wise. So you tell me. This I actually wear every fall in the pumpkin patch, so I enjoy that. That one I do wear. This guy I have, okay. This isn't even an expensive dress. I think I bought this at Target on clearance. It's really cute, but honestly, it's the racer back. You don't see that flattering. Makes me look like a linebacker. For the record, a lot of these are just empty. Whoops, what is this? Oh, this one is actually good because I use this in my cottage core dress up. Oh, okay, biscuits. This is one of those mystery things. Okay, I think this is gorgeous. Don't get me wrong. Fun fact, the fact that it's on this hanger tells me that I've had this since I lived in Arizona. Beautiful, lovely. I don't think it's gonna fit me. It's an extra small. I think that the bootay will not allow it. Okay, this one I keep. I only wear it a couple times a year because it's really heavy, but I love this jacket. It's one of my favorites. These, I love these classic pants. These are so fun. What size are they? Do you think they still fit me? Oh yeah, they still fit me. Excellent. I wear them when I travel, like in Europe, and I want something comfy, but I don't want to stand out like a really schleppy tourist. So I don't get mugged as much. That's my strategy, is to look a little nicely dressed. That is a good one, so that's a keep. Okay, so here's my question, biscuits. Do I get rid of this dress, which I never wear, but it is really cute? But I'm going to be honest, biscuits. I never wear it. It's really cute, but it's got this incredibly high neckline. Man, it was expensive too. Oh. What do you think, biscuits? I'm gonna try it on. Okay. I'm gonna keep this bag until you tell me in the comments whether I should toss it all or whether something looks really good on and I should keep it. See what I mean? It's like, it's a really hot, choke you. Okay, I mean, this is cute. It's got pockets, which is why I bought it. I have a secret note to myself. Fried rice with eggplant. It's like a shopping list. So it's got pockets. I do like the sleeves on it. I mean, honestly, I just think it's too much. With the length, I want a different neckline. I don't want it so high. If it was a high neckline, censored. If it was a high neckline, I want it to be a floofy skirt at least, and it's not. So I think it has to go. Sorry, I know. I hate spending money on stuff that I don't actually wear. Okay, this goes for the same. It's just never. The problem is, is this just cruddy material. And I think that's where this influencer went wrong with her collection. Beautiful design, but the fabric for the price point was really cruddy. Okay, that one I'm keeping. This one I'm tossing because I love this dress. This to me is quintessential Midwest summer dress. But the ladies have grown in size over time and no longer fit enough. Woo! Biscuits! We're kicking booty. We are getting it done. We are saying no prisoners. If we don't wear it, we aren't going to keep it. Okay. This one I vacillated. I was like, oh, should I get rid of it? In the last cleanup video I did, it was gone. I haven't worn it since then. It's lovely. It's very form-fitting, but it just doesn't work. Let me see what else there is. Okay. That one goes too. Well, look, I think we're making real progress, Biscuits. Wow, I've cleaned out most of this. Oh yeah. Oh, I love this yoga top. So cute, and I always thought it made my boobies look good, but I honestly just don't fit anymore. Okay, that is an entire bag's worth. I am impressed that there was that amount lingering. Wow, okay, we have a much better supply. This is stuff that I actually wear, which is fantastic. Should we go do my loungewear area? I'm embarrassed to show you, Biscuits, how bad this is. Okay, I'm gonna do a two-parter. I'm gonna show you in the next video the shame that is my loungewear closet. I'm gonna get a new trash bag. Hey, don't forget you can see the full uncut version of these clean videos over on my Patreon page. Go check out your primal inner being on there and reconnect with your awesome idea of what playful self-care gets to be. That's pretty amazing.